Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your crosshair in CSGO. So when you first load up CSGO, you'll be on your dashboard like this, and the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this big play button at the top here. Then you want to click on this drop down menu in the top left, and you want to go ahead and click on Workshop Maps. Now when we're here, you want to go ahead and click on Visit Workshop. And when your workshop is loaded up, all you want to do is click on this search bar here, and you want to go and type in Crash. And you want to put a Z at the end, so it's crashes with a Z, and click on search. Now once the search results come up, you want to scroll down and you want to click on this one here. It's called Crashes Crosshair Generator V3. Once you're on the page, you want to scroll down again and you want to make sure you subscribe to it just like I am. And once it's subscribed, it's going to go ahead and download the map, and this may take a couple of seconds depending on your internet speed. Okay, so now we're back on CSGO. You want to make sure that you're on your workshop maps just like we selected earlier. Then you want to make sure you click on the map we just downloaded, which is Crashes Crosshair, and then you want to go ahead and click on Go. Make sure you're on custom mode and go ahead and click on Go. Now this is going to go ahead and load up the map, so again just give it a couple of seconds to do so. So once you're loaded into the map, it's going to look something like this, and in order to change your crosshair, all you need to do is look at this board here, and you want to shoot at the one that you're most comfortable with. And this is going to go ahead and change your crosshair immediately, and of course this is all the pro teams with the players. Now once you've selected one that you're comfortable with, you can go ahead and adjust its characteristics by coming to this wall here. You can go ahead and change all the colours for it, and you can also change the way it looks here as well, by changing the size, the thickness, the gap, etc. And to do this, all you need to do is select the one that you want. You can go ahead and adjust its size, whether it's be a positive or a negative size from here. Once you're happy with the crosshair you've selected, you can go into this room here and you can go ahead and test your aim, and you'll see that people will spawn in, and you can also test the bullet spread as well. And finally, you can go ahead to this corner of the room here, and what you want to do is go ahead and assign it to a number, and what this is going to do is go ahead and save it to that number, so the next time you load into this map, you can go ahead and load up one of these numbers, and it's going to go ahead and load up the crosshair assigned to it. And that is all you need to do to change crosshair in CSGO. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.